Hey Ma, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So today I'll be showing you guys this beautiful 6x6 lace closure wig. This video will be sponsored by Tinashe Hair, so if you want to see how I got this look, then just continue to watch. So Tinashe Hair is known for their beautiful wigs. They have so many different textures, layers, colors. They even have headband wigs. Whatever you want, sis, I'm pretty sure they have it for you. They have closures, lace frontals, whatever you want. So today's wig that we'll be reviewing is the 6x6 lace closure wig. It is 200% density, and I do have the wig in 24 inches. I'm sure you guys can see it on the screen. You are able to do 4 interest-free payments if you don't want to pay for it all up front, which is a good feature that Tinashe Hair has. So as you can see, the hair is placed nicely in the Tinashe Hair box, which is beautiful. It also does have the net around it as well. As you guys can see, you have a lot of room when it comes to the lace closure because it is a 6x6, and you also do have the adjustable straps in the back of the wig as well to tighten it or have it loose depending on your head size. And as you can see, the hair is super flowy. It is 200% density, but it's so soft and silky. And you actually get some goodies with this wig. So it's going to come with this card that has all of Tinashe's hair socials, a wig cap, of course. You're also going to get a bonnet, which I thought was really cute. You can never have enough bonnets. You're also going to have an edge brush, a rat tail comb, some lashes. These lashes are a little dramatic for me, but it doesn't hurt to have them. And then these hair clips, which I felt like were super necessary because I actually needed those. So you guys already know how I do. I went ahead and bleached the closure. I will have all of the products listed in the description box. That way you guys know exactly what kind of bleach and developer I used. I left it on for maybe about like, I don't know, like 35 minutes or something like that. And this is how the wig came out afterwards after I plucked it. Now their wigs already come pre-plucked, so if you choose not to pluck it, that's completely on you. But you guys know how I do. I went ahead and plucked some of the hair out anyways, which was not a lot at all. It was less than a handful. So here is the wig here, and I'm just going to put it on and just kind of see how exactly I want it to lay. So after using the clips to get the rest of the hair out of my face, I went ahead and used my wax stick in order to get all those little flyaways out of the way as well. That way I don't accidentally glue them down, spray them down, whichever method that you use. But in today's video, I will be using the Got2b glue method because it's just easier for me. And as you guys can see, I cheat. I do not spray it on my forehead first. I spray it directly on the lace, like where I want it to lay. And then you'll see that I blow dry it down and also set it in place with the comb. And then I will go ahead with my elastic band and melt it. That's normally what I do. That's kind of like the quick and easiest way for me to actually lay my wigs down. It works. It's just as good too. All right, so I went ahead and took off the elastic band, and of course, because we use spray, you guys already know some of the hair is going to be like stuck down to the lace. So I just combed that out, and it's looking pretty good, which is why I'm happy dancing over here. And now I'm just using my razor to get rid of all of the extra lace, and I try to get rid of as much lace as I can and get as close to the hairline as possible. And then once I'm comfortable with it, then I will go ahead with the Got2b glue spray again and tighten it up, secure any areas that are kind of loose and things like that, and then I will have it melted again with the elastic band. So yeah, quick and easy. You know, it's still a process, but you know, just a little bit less mess, because when it comes to glue and stuff like that, I just feel like it's just too much. So I rather use the Got2b glue method, and as you guys can see, it comes out really good. Yeah, and this is where I go back in with the spray, because you guys saw like some of the parts was lifting and they just needed to be melted a little bit more. So yeah. All right, so she is looking good. She is looking laid. I wasn't a fan of my baby hairs at this point, but I did fix them later on. But now I'm just going back in with my wax stick and, you know, doing my typical thing with a hot comb, making sure it's laid down, making sure it's nice and flat and looking super natural. I also did go in with some peroxide and just cleaned off the additional spray that was on my forehead because I was going to put on makeup, and you will see that underneath the makeup, so that's not cute. So now I'm just going with my foundation powder. I believe these two are from MAC. Yeah, I was alternating between two different colors just to make sure that the lace is melted and looking as natural as possible along with my skin tone. And then I went ahead and laid the baby hairs down once again. Now, coming up, I'm going to show you guys what I do when it comes to the part. So I'm sure you guys saw earlier that some of the bleach got on the hair itself, which is fine. That doesn't, you know, I don't panic as long as it's not too much. I just clean that up with some mascara, especially around the part area, and boom, it's fixed. And you won't even know that I over bleached it a little bit. So now is the styling process. The hair is looking great. So I'm actually going to do some crimps in it. This is just a crimper that I had got from Walmart. It's like double ceramic or something like that. But I didn't like spray the hair down, or, you know, I'm not super professional when it comes to styling my wigs. I just do what I feel like looks good to me. And I still wanted the hair to be fluffy, yet I wanted you to see the crimps in it as well. So the way that I was crimping the hair is I was leaving it on for maybe like 5 to 10 seconds on each piece. Sometimes I was taking big pieces. I did not take small pieces the entire time because I'm lazy. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did. So I'm gonna have you guys watch the video, and then I will come back towards the end. Guys, so that's basically the end of the tutorial. My hair is a little bit puffier now because I was like playing in it and taking pictures and stuff, but you guys saw it took to the crimper very well. I didn't have any issues as far as shedding. As far as the knots being bleached, it took very well. This was a very easy wig to work with, and on top of that, I didn't even sew on the elastic band. It fits my head perfectly, so you guys already know how it goes. I'm gonna have all of the information listed in the description box down below. I want to thank Tinashe Hair so much for sponsoring this video. The crazy thing is that I was promoting Tinashe Hair way before my channel was kind of getting popping, way before I was getting sponsorships, because I had ordered their water wave wig and I absolutely loved it, and I gave them a shout out on my old Instagram, and now life just came full circle and now I'm actually collaborating with them. So I appreciate Tinashe Hair so much for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much. I absolutely love the hair. Super easy to work with, very flowy. The one thing about Tinashe Hair is like when you get the higher densities, it's full, but the hair itself is still soft and silky and lightweight as if you had lower density hair. It's very weird, but in a good way. But yeah, like I said, I will have all of the information listed in the description box down below. And if you guys didn't hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. Make sure you give me a very big thumbs up before you click off. That's super important. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.